Okay, this is an example of contrast training, but we're also going to be looking at alignment. And this is Sherry working at her computer. The first thing that I want you to note is that she doesn't have a lot of rounding in the back. So a lot of people, I mean, there's a little, but it's not bad. And the shoulders aren't really too far forward. So there's the middle of her shoulder. Her hip is probably right back there. And then we're going to draw a line, and there's her ear. So ideally, you want ear, shoulder, hip would be the proper, what we call external alignment. All right, so first thing she's going to do is raise her sternum up. Her sternum currently is pointed toward the computer screen. And the goal is to raise the sternum up to where the wall meets the ceiling. So you're kind of looking up when you do it. You raise the sternum all the way up. So let's look at her do that. Clear some of this out here. And there she goes. So all she did was raise the sternum. And that's really important. She didn't squeeze her shoulder blades together. She didn't try to move her head or move her neck. She just raised the sternum up. So in her mind, the primary thought is the moving of the rib cage. So from that position, here's her ear. Oops, come back. Ear, shoulder, hip. So now she's in a pretty good straight line there. So her shoulders move back, I don't know, let's say her shoulders move back maybe 3 inches. But her head, the difference in her head position is significant. That's a big, big difference. I'm guessing it's probably close to 8 inches. And remember, for every inch forward, the head is off center based on the ear being directly over the shoulder. For every inch forward, add 10 to 12 pounds of pressure to the spine. So if we put her back into this position right there, she actually, you know, is anywhere from 80 to 88 additional pounds of pressure on her spine by sitting there. All right, so that's the first thing, the raising up of the rib cage. Let's clear all that out. Then the next thing she's going to do is shrug her shoulders up and then depress. When she depresses, you're going to have tension in your chest, tension in your lats, which is really close, kind of the angel wing muscles. And then she should also have some tension right up underneath her arm, right there, in that position. So the whole upper torso region should be a little bit tense. And then the next thing she's going to do is pull the lower abdominal wall in, because you don't want the lower back to be hyperextended due to the lifting of the rib cage. So she's going to alternate that. So I'm just going to fast forward, and you're going to watch her do her alternating. Scooting to the edge of the chair. Now she's going to contrast. Slump, chest up, shrug to press, ab in. And then she's going to do it again. Slump, chest up, shrug to press, ab in. You can actually see her pull her ab in. And then she's holding that neutral torso alignment. So that's what the contrasting is, especially, this is late in the day. She's been working on her computer all day long. I get the same way. Very difficult to hold yourself in good alignment. You really want to start slumping by the end of the day. All you have to do is 3 times do this contrast training, and that'll just pop you right back out of it. You actually are, with Correct My Posture, you're definitely more comfortable in this position.